Tribhuvan University 2082 regular exam, bachelor's level 4 years program, science and technology, BSc first year, calculus, math 101 question paper, full marks 75 time 3 hours. Here are two groups. Group A contains 35 marks and Group B contains 40 marks. Attempt all the question. Group A, marks 5 into 7 equal to 35. Question number 1. State Lagrange's theorem for two variables u and b where u and b are function of x. If y equal to tan inverse x, then prove that A. 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 1. B. 1 plus x square into y plus 1 plus 2nx yn plus n into n minus 1 yn minus 1 equal to 0. Max 1 plus 2 plus 4. Our question. State Lagrange mean value theorem. Verify the Lagrange mean value theorem of the function fx equal to x into x minus 1 for the interval 0 to 0.5. Max 1 plus 6. Question number 2. State the fundamental theorem of calculus with an example. Evaluate integration a to b 1 upon x dx as a limit of a sum. Max 3 plus 4. Our question. Define beta and gamma function. Prove that a. Gamma n plus 1 equal to n into gamma n. B. Integration minus 1 to plus 1 minus x square whole power 2 by 3 dx equal to beta 1 upon 2 comma 5 by 3. Max 2 plus 1 plus 4. Question number 3. How do you define the maximum and minimum values of the function of two variables? Find the extreme value of x y square when x plus y equal to 1. Max 2 plus 5. Question number 4. What do you mean by the curvature and radius of curvature of a curve? So that the circle is a curve of uniform curvature and its radius of curvature at every point is constant. Max 2 plus 1 plus 4. Question number 5. Define a linear differential equation of first order. Explain the method of solving such equation. Reduce the equation dy upon dx plus 2xy equal to x cube y into y cube to linear form and hence solve it. Max 1 plus 2 plus 4. Group B. Max 10 into 4 equal to 40. Question number 6. What is the pedal equation of a curve? Deduce its equation from Cartesian equation. Max 1 plus 3. Question number 7. Write down any 7 indeterminate form. Prove that limit x tends to infinity 10x minus sin x whole upon x cube equal to 1 upon 2. Max 2 plus 2. Question number 8. Trace the curve y square equal to x minus 2a whole power cube. Or question. Find all the asymptotes of the curve x cube minus 2y cube plus xy into 2x minus y plus y into x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Max 4. Question number 9. If z equal to cos y upon x and x equal to u square minus b, y equal to e power x, then find delta z upon delta b. Max 4. Or question. If u equal to cos inverse x plus y whole upon under root x plus under root y, so that delta u upon delta x plus y into delta u upon delta y plus 1 upon 2 cot u equal to 0. Max 4. Question number 10. Find the volume of the solid formed by the revolution of the curve y square equal to x square into a minus x above the x-axis. Max 4. Question number 11. Find the total work done by in a moving particle in a force given by vector f equal to 2xy into vector I minus 3x into vector j minus 5z into vector k along the curve x equal to t, y equal to t square plus 1, z equal to 2t square from t equal to 0 to t equal to 1. Max 4. Question number 12. Use Stokes theorem to evaluate integration over c vector f dot d vector r, where vector f xyz equal to x plus y square into vector I plus y plus z square into vector j plus z plus z square into vector k, where c is the triangle with the vertices 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Max 4. Our question. State Stokes theorem and use it to deduce integration over c vector r dot dr equal to 0. Max 4. Question number 13. Find the particular integral pi of the differential equation d square y upon dx square plus p1 dy upon dx plus p2y equal to e to power x. Also find the pi of the equation capital D minus 2 whole square y equal to 6 into e to power 2x. Max 2 plus 2. Or question. Solve d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to e power 2x, given that y equal to 1 dy upon dx equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Max 4. Question number 14. Evaluate double integration 0 to 3 integration 1 to 2 x square y dy dx. Max 4. Question number 15. Determine the order and degree of the differential equation with justification if exists. 1. D square y upon dx square होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू dy अपन dx होल पावर 4 प्लस y इक्वल टू 0 2 dy अपन dx प्लस cos dy अपन dx इक्वल टू 0 मार्क्स 2+2 बीएससी फर्स्ट इयर देखिए पत्र समय जुनसी विषय का प्रश्न पत्र चाहिए मा विलन टुगेदर वान एम को प्लेलिस्ट बीएससी मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपर मा गएको होला ती क्वेसनहरुको हेल्पले फाइनल एक्जामको प्रिपरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्न होला। तपाईले जुन जुन भिडियोहरु हेर्दै जान्छ ती भिडियोहरुमा लाइक कमेन्ट सब्स्क्राइब र शेयर पनि गर्दै जानु होला।